Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Uniek Mix by Christina. Today I have a Spellbinders haul to share with you. They recently had a sale going on, so I was able to get some items from that sale. So let me go ahead and show you what I did buy. The first thing I want to show is this glitter foam sheets, which is the black and white. So you get 5 black and 5 white. Look at that. Real nice. And the price was actually, I want to say 50 to 60% off. I'll put in a video what it was, but I think it was 50 to 60% off. So this one you get 10 8 by 5, 8.5 by 11 sheets. And like I said, you do get 5 black and 5 white. So I got that one. Another one I hauled is this red and green, and you also get, actually this one you get 6 glitter red and 4 glitter green, and then that's the green. So I got those two. And then they also had these ones on sale, which is the foam sheets, the warm pack. And this one you also get 20. You get 10 colors, 2 sheets of each of red, berry, orange, sunflower, cocoa, rose, blush, peach, pale yellow, and tan. And I got this for the fall. Look at that. So you get 20 sheets of this. So they will get that too. Which, foam wise, I don't have any fall colors, so I'm glad that was on sale. And then the next thing I hauled was this pink and red. Now this one's pink and light pink. So this one you get 10 sheets. You get 5 glitter bright pink and 5 glitter light pink. So I got this for Valentine's. Look at that. So I got this one for Valentine, got this one for fall, this one for Christmas, and this one for Halloween and Christmas. So I was able to get those. And great price. I'll put the prices in the video if I can find them. Another thing I hauled is this die, and it has different, I like the Essentials dies because you can use it for card making. And this one is the A2 matted basic B die. And you do get 9 cutting dies. I like this regular squares, but what I really like are this one right here. Look at that. So I got this one. And then they also had this one on sale, which is the large storage pouch. And you get 10 of them, and it's 5.75 by 6.8, and they're just regular pouches. Let's look at this. And I got this to add some of the smaller dies that I have. Look at that, some plastic pouches. They also had the small ones on sale, so I got that one also. I got my hands on another die, which is this fancy frame. That's when you get 7 dies with it, but look at how fancy. That's how that is. And this is actually a real big size. So love, love, love. So I got that one. I actually got 2 of the pouches. And then I also hauled some cardstock. I got the white, actually these are chipboard sheets. So I got the white, and I did get the black, and you do get 10 of them, and there are 6 by 6. So I got the white one, and then I did get the black one. Got those. And then I also grabbed this die, which was a Stamp of the Month die, and it's the keychain. I like this. I got the coordinating die for this. So There's the hotel keychain, and it does have some sentiments on there, and even stuff to decorate that. And then here goes the coordinating die. So I also got those. Another die I have is this one here. Yeah, it's actually the bird on some branches. Actually real pretty. I like this. I got it mainly for the branches. But look at that. How cute is that? And this one has 3 dies. And there goes how the dies look. Real nice. Love it. And then I also got some of these die cuts. One's a Christmas and one is like a spring. Yeah, look at that. So I figured for embellishments. So it's too cute. Love that one. Love it. And this is a spring one. There's the example. So I also got those 2. Love, love, love. So I love those 2. And then the last thing I hauled was this tool, which is a trimming tool, and it does come with 2 blades, and the trimmer, the little mat has little lines. I got this so that I could cut out sentiments pretty straight, so I don't have to use my scissors. This is mainly why I got this one. So yeah, I love this one. Look at that. And this one is actually cheaper than one that you would get at Walmart. Yeah. So that is my small haul that I was able to get during the Spellbinders sale they recently have. I always recommend that you sign up for their email subscription so you know when their sales come about, so they'll email you. That's the way I found out about this one. But yeah, make sure you like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification so you know what videos I do upload. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.